Hello everybody, this is Con. I'm now in Kulim and you're looking at BMW Group Malaysia's range of locally assembled cars. These are the plug-in hybrid BMW models consisting of the 330e, 530e, 740LE and X-Drive 40e. There we have the locally assembled Mini Countryman and Mini Countryman PHEV over there at the back. Okay, so what is the occasion here today? So this is the new Sime Darby Auto engine plant. So right now, okay, this plant, BMW is starting to assemble engines locally in Malaysia, and these are the line of engines that have been committed for local assembly. This here is the 2-liter petrol B48 engine that has already started production effective in April 2018. Okay, the engine cow here you see, this is for the plug-in hybrid models. That this engine is currently powering all these cars. Okay, the 330e right up to the X540e. Now then we have the B47 2-liter diesel engine. Now interestingly, right, BMW currently does not have any model in its lineup that is powered by the B47 diesel. Okay, a B47 diesel will be denoted by the 20D badging, like 320D, 520D and so on. So but we also know that sometime back BMW announced that they were going to export cars to several markets in the region. So maybe this engine here is being assembled locally for export, or maybe BMW is bringing diesel models back into Malaysia. We do not know yet. We need to clarify that further. And here is the 1.5 liter B38 petrol engine. This engine powers the 318i and the 118i and everything with the 18i engine. So this one is going to start production in August 2018. The diesel engine is starting production in June 2018. Okay, so we are inside the plant. No close-ups, so we're just going to look at all these engines from afar. Okay, guess we cannot step past the yellow line. Okay, some quick info of the engine plant. So at present, okay, the engine is planned because they are just starting up. All the technicians are still learning the ropes here. They are making engines at a rate of 12 engines per day. Okay, maximum capacity of this plant when it goes to full swing will be 40 engines per day. Okay, well, none of these engines made here are in the showrooms yet. They will be actually the first engine, okay, made in this plant will be going to the car plant on 14 May 2018. So none of the BMW cars that have thus far rolled out from the Sime Darby plant have been fitted with locally assembled yet, but that will change on 14 May 2018 when the first engine from here goes to the car plant. So right now they're only making the 2-liter petrol B48 engine. Later on they will start the B47 2-liter diesel as well as the B38 1.5 liter petrol engine. All this will start later. Alright, so guys, look at this. A lot of advanced machinery here, but it's also very labor intensive. They hire a lot of people here to run this engine plant, and yeah, these are all locals. You don't see foreigners here, so it gives our local boys job opportunities, and that is a good thing, really. Okay, so all these workers, they are critical to the operation of the engine plant. This is not unlike a lot of fully automated plants where the plant can just go on autopilot with a skeleton crew. But this one, no. This plant requires its people to run, and it's a good thing lah. It gives all these people work. It puts all these people in jobs, gives them salaries, and equips them with a high level of skill that even if they one day decide to live and work elsewhere, the skill sets that they acquire here, they can bring it along with them to to their next line of work. So as you can see, here's another gentleman here working on an engine. It's well, this is not exactly one man one engine, but you actually can say these engines are effectively hand assembled. So there's another advantage to the setup is that it enables this plant, okay, it gives this plant an amazing degree of flexibility. So this same line can be used to assemble any engine that they choose. So they can have one B48 here, then they have one B38, then one B47, like that. It's entirely up to them how they choose to set things up, provided of course they get all the organization correct lah. But the thing is that the point is you can organize this plant to produce a variety of engines without a significantly altering things lah. Alright, here's another interesting bit of info that has just been told. Now this plant, okay, it is, as I mentioned earlier, it is very flexible. You can assemble any engines from BMW's modular family of engines, all the B series engines they can manufacture. They can assemble here. Okay, the B38, B48, B47. In fact, the plant manager just told me that they can even assemble the 3-liter 6-cylinder B58 and B57 engines if demand of these engines exists lah. So it's because all this equipment and jigs and all that, right, they are catered for the entire engine family, from the B38 right up to the B58, okay, from the 1.5 to the 3-liter. So it's a question of whether BMW Malaysia feels that there is a demand for these engines or not. Okay, so obviously as an enthusiast, I would hope to see that BMW Malaysia will one day bring back their line of glorious inline 6 engines. Mercedes-Benz recently rolled out the AMG C43 and GLC 43 locally assembled variants. So maybe that would tickle BMW Malaysia's balls to bring back a locally assembled 6-cylinder engine into our market as well. Okay guys, so that concludes our tour of BMW's new Sime Darby Auto Engineering engine assembly plant. Okay, so this is a big investment, major investment, job opportunities, transfer of technology. Yeah, so moving forward, your locally assembled BMW cars are also going to get locally assembled BMW engines. I know some people have this stigma against locally assembled stuff, but look at the bright side. These engines from now on will be produced by our own people, and you can drive your cars with the knowledge that your engines brought jobs to our people. Okay, so until my next video, thanks for watching. Bye for now.